1-800-449-8255, Clark the Shark. So when the light's on, they reduce down. From the golden EIB Ghostraphone. It's not a sharkerphone tonight, baby, because I got ghosts galore on Halloween on my sink. You guys. Yeah, you guys. That's right. That's right. Look at them. He turns his head like, Sharky, don't you even try to touch me. Oh, you. I see you, bro. Here on the Clark the Shark show, it's a spooktacular ghost smorgasbord on my sink tonight. Just a bunch of them. Yeah, a lot of homeless people worried. You got CalFresh getting cut off, you guys. But you